Most Shopify store owners are wasting hours every single day doing tasks that AI can automate completely. In this video, I'll show you exactly how AI automation can run your Shopify store on autopilot, even if you're a beginner. And no, you don't need to be a tech expert to use this. If you're running a Shopify store, you already know the struggle. You are replying to customer emails, managing orders, sending marketing messages, and trying to grow your store, all at the same time. This manual work is the reason most beginners burn out and quit. The truth is, successful Shopify store owners are not working harder. They are using AI automation to do the work for them. When I say Shopify on autopilot, I don't mean doing nothing. I mean using AI tools to handle repetitive tasks automatically, 24 hours a day, without you being online. Let me show you the three main areas where AI automation changes everything. The first area is customer support. Customers ask the same questions every day. Where is my order? How long does shipping take? And what is your return policy? Instead of replying manually, AI can instantly answer these questions for you. AI chat systems can respond to customers, guide them through your store, and even help reduce refunds. This means your store stays professional and responsive, even while you're sleeping. This alone can save you hours every week. The second area is marketing and sales automation. Most beginners lose money because they forget to follow up with customers. AI can automatically send abandoned cart reminders, welcome emails, and follow-up messages, without you touching anything. These automated messages bring customers back and increase sales on autopilot. This is how stores make money even when the owner is not actively working. The third area is store operations. AI automation can help with order processing, workflow management, and organizing store data. Instead of manually checking everything, AI systems can track orders, flag issues, and keep your store running smoothly. This reduces mistakes and helps your store scale faster without stress. When these systems work together, your Shopify store starts running like a business, not a job. Here's why this matters so much. AI automation saves time, reduces stress, and allows you to focus on growth instead of daily tasks. This is the difference between struggling Shopify stores and stores that scale. Automation doesn't replace you, it frees you. If you want a Shopify store that works for you instead of you working for it, subscribe to this channel. In the next videos, I'll break down the exact AI tools step by step, so you can start automating your store the right way. Thanks for watching.